Hello everyone. On day 9 of the Daniel's fast, I enjoyed this homemade peanut butter with some carrot sticks and celery. If you would like to see how I made this homemade peanut butter, stay tuned. To a food processor, we're going to add 3 cups of roasted unsalted peanuts. We are going to puree the mixture until the desired consistency is reached. And there you have it, homemade peanut butter. Stay tuned for the verse of the day. The Lord said, "Go get Isaac, your only son, the one you dearly love. Take him to the land of Moriah, and I will show you a mountain where you must sacrifice him to me on the fires of an altar." Genesis 22, verse 2.